The version of you that's got an online income stream, they're not working harder. They're doing less work, but they're doing the right things. I've made tens of thousands of dollars selling books on Amazon. And these are books that are created with just Canva and AI. I'm not a writer. I'm not an author. There's nothing special about these books. Nothing like it's something anyone can do. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 things that I did in order to achieve this income, so you can repeat me and create an online income stream for yourself. And the best thing about selling books on Amazon, self-publishing, is you don't need to build a following. You don't need a website or shop front. It's very, very beginner friendly. You can start today and publish today. You don't need to show your face. You can stay completely anonymous. And when your books sell, Amazon take care of all the stress, fulfillment, printing, delivery, and customers. So you just sit back and collect royalty. That's how I was able to do it as a side hustle, as a dad with other things going on. I was able to do this. Okay, so let's get started. If you want the full system, by the way, I'll leave a link below. All right, the first thing is, and this is something you can do right now, by the way, and I suggest you do, is to, let me just get my pen started here, is to commit. Now, real talk, okay, it's going to take time to build an income stream like this. This is a very powerful income stream. This is the type of money that can mean that you don't have to work ever again. Okay, so it takes time to build it up. Now, I'm not talking about crazy amounts. Like I said, you can do this in your spare time. I'm just talking about commit to start with, just an hour a day. Commit to an hour a day for a few months. I would say 6 months, but just have that commitment. Because most people that get into this, they start it, like I said, it's very easy to create a book now. You could just do an AI and Canva in a day. They create 1 book or 2 books, it doesn't sell, and then they move on. Now, if I said to you, you need to commit for like 6 months, you're going to produce a whole heap of books, and the chances are you're going to start making money, especially if you follow the other steps coming up. Okay, so commit, and I would do this in writing. You know, they say like a goal that you don't write down is just merely a wish. There's a saying, a quote. Same thing with this. Commit in writing, it kind of solidifies it and gives you more commitment to the cause, right? The second thing, right, now that you've decided you're going to do this for, say, 6 months, you're going to do like an hour a day, as much as you can. The second thing is customer. Now, you're going to be self-publishing books on Amazon. You need a customer that's going to buy them. And I'm going to show you right now in real time how to find a customer. It's actually very, very simple to do. So you go to Amazon, you type something like trivia books. Now, I always recommend trivia books for beginners because you can create a whole book in AI. Like the cover is in AI, the inside's in AI, and it's not like you're pretending to know stuff. The stuff in there is very factual. It's stuff that AI will give you, and it's a matter of yes or no, true or false, right? It's not you're pretending to be an expert in a subject. Okay. Then you just scroll down here, and we're looking for a type of book that you might be interested in. This one here caught my eye, this baseball book. So I'm just going to open it here. And another pro tip is if you're interested in the subject, that's a good starting point. Now, 2 things you need to check when you found a book that you might be interested in is the price, first of all. Is it above $10? $12 is better. Above 15 or 15 and over is even better. This one's $14.99, so it's very close to $15. So that's a good sign. That's the first sign. Then you scroll down and we want to check if this book's actually selling. So I'm just going to scroll down here. See the bestsellers rank here. If that bestsellers rank is below 50,000, then it's a good sign. This one is 34,000. So that means this book is selling and it's selling at a good price. So you found your customer. Who's your customer? Someone that likes baseball. Now you could say it's a man that likes baseball, or fans, man or woman, but that's your customer. So let's go back here. Let's say for this example, our customer is a person. I'm going to do a little guy there. That's meant to be a baseball bat, by the way. That's our customer now. We found our customer. Right. The third thing is cover. The book cover. Everyone on Amazon judges a book by its cover. So it's very, very important to nail this. And with AI now, it makes it so simple and easy to create a professional cover that can make you loads of money. If we look at this cover that's on Amazon right now, you can see why this book's making money. The cover, the title is very, very clear, can be read at thumbnail size. It's got some good words there. It's got trivia challenge. It's got super fun, very big words. And look at this graphic, amazing graphic. This is why this book is selling really well, and all done in AI. And I'm going to show you now some quick tips on how to create an AI. You just head over to Ideogram, here. You can see I was just playing around with covers earlier. We just clicked this cover I did. Okay, it's a completely different niche, but just to give you an idea of what I did here. This was the prompt that I used. Now, this looks like a big intimidating prompt, but I just used ChatGPT to create that prompt, and I just built it up over time. So you see here, I'm just going to go back. I started with this prompt here. I'll show you. ChatGPT gave me this prompt, and then I went back to ChatGPT and said, oh, can you make it a bit more vintage? So it gave me another prompt and it made it a bit more vintage. Then I went back to ChatGPT and said, include some general knowledge stuff in the background in line art. And it included that. And as you can see here, don't know if you can see here, can I zoom in? No, I can't zoom in, but you should be able to see it there. It's got some nice line art. And that's a solid cover done in minutes. So it is very, very simple and easy to do covers now. Just do them in AI and you can produce decent cover. I mean, that's a decent cover. And the one that we saw, the baseball one, is just literally made with AI. Okay, so the cover. Now, we want to make sure that this cover is talking to the customer with a good title, and graphically it pops. Okay, so this person here is going to see our cover, and when you're talking about Amazon, they will literally buy just based on the cover. So if you've got a good cover, you can just get that buy straight away. Right. The fourth thing is consistency. Right, the biggest mistake I see, especially for beginners that get into this, is I've got light glaring off my iPad here, trying to see what I'm doing. Right, the biggest mistake I see is they find a good customer like this guy. They produce one book, maybe two if you're lucky. Okay, the books don't sell, so then they move on to looking for another customer, because in their mind it didn't work with that customer. Right, all it means actually is that these books weren't good enough. Okay, because we know for a fact, right, we've checked that this customer here is spending money, or should I do it like that? They're spending money and the book is selling, so this customer is actively buying books, right? So if this book wasn't able to make any money, don't know what I'm doing with these lines, by the way, let's do it in red. If this book here, it bounced off, wasn't able to make money, all that means is this book wasn't good enough, and the same with this book, wasn't good enough. And that's fine, because it's going to take time to ensure that your books are good enough. So that's why it pays to be consistent. And again, if you've committed like 6 months to this, and we found a customer, and you're producing books for that customer now, and you just make a commitment now and to be consistent, that you're publishing books for that one customer, eventually you will get, like, just say these are all the books you're doing over the 6 month period, or however you're doing. Eventually, one of these books is going to appeal to this customer and it's going to make you money. And at that point there, you've actually discovered what it takes to sell to this customer. And that comes with all of these. Okay, very, very simple, but most people don't do this. So you just want to be consistent until your books are good enough to take money from that customer. Because remember, you found the customer, they're spending money. Okay, the money's there. All right, the fifth and final one is compound, and this ties all of it in. So we've got one customer, got consistent books doing over, going to that customer. Just keep compounding everything that you're learning from this customer, as well as your own knowledge. All right, so this is why I said at the beginning, if you pick a subject that you're kind of interested in, this will work really, really well for you, because you'll start integrating your knowledge into it. Just say you know baseball now. You'll know words to use. You'll know the types of covers to use, because the customer is pretty much you. And when you're the customer, when you got an interest in the subject, you got an advantage over everyone else that is just creating books to make money. Okay, so when you compound, we're talking about knowledge and books, because you're going to keep doing more and more books for this one customer. They're going to get better and better with the increase of your knowledge, and you put all these together, eventually you're going to make money. Okay, so you just keep doing this. This is the system that I use, the most in its basic form. Like I said, I've got the full system if you want. I'll leave a link below. This is it in its basic form that will get you to making money self-publishing books on Amazon. And that's everything you need to do. If you keep doing that over and over again, over a good enough period of time, the chances are you're going to make money too. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more videos on how to create money selling books on Amazon using AI and Canva. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.